Hey guys, welcome to Aviksha. In this video, we're going to discuss some amazing facts that will leave you jaw dropped. Wow, this is so beautiful. Is this a photo or is it real?
Oh, it is real. It is called the Emerald Green Icebergs and it is located in Antarctica.
Okay, is this a guitar building?
No, it is the Hard Rock Hotel in Florida. Can you tell me the other moon shaped hotel?
Yes, it is the Sheraton Hojo Hot Spring Resort. It is in China.
Okay.
What is the other building? It looks so curvy and weird.
Hmm. It is the Marqués de Resca Hotel in Spain.
Okay,
And can you tell me the last one?
yes, it is the Tree Hotel in Vietnam.
It does look like the set of a horror movie, am I right?
Yeah.
Can you tell me how many times the human eye blinks in a year?
Yes, it blinks about 42 lakh times in a single year.
Correct. Leonardo da Vinci was ambidextrous. Ambi means both and dexter means right hand. So he could use both his hands. That is how he could write with one hand and draw with the other hand at the same time.
He is the one who painted the Mona Lisa, right?
Yes, the Mona Lisa is now in the Louvre Museum in France. Yikes! Such a big snake?
Yes, but don't worry. This is a statue. It is the Titanoboa, the largest snake that ever existed. The average adult Titanoboa was roughly 13 meters. It is now extinct.
Okay.
This is the albatross. It can sleep while flying.
Yes, I've read about it. The wandering albatross. It has the largest wingspan in the world.
Hippo is eating a car? Oh my god!
No, no, don't worry. This is just a fact. A hippo's mouth can open wide enough to fit a sports car.
Okay, I got scared.
Did you know the national animal of Scotland is a unicorn?
How? It's a fictitious animal.
Yes, but still Scotland's national animal is a unicorn. What is this place? People are in some chamber cave thing.
This is a volcano in Iceland.
A volcano? Isn't it dangerous?
No, it's dormant. It hasn't erupted over thousands of years.
Okay.
This baby is sleeping. I generally see newborn babies sleeping all the time.
Yes, that is because babies sleep 5,400 hours in their first year.
Oh, owls cannot move their eyes. So, how did they look around?
Owls can even look directly behind them without even moving their body. That is because their head can turn at 360 degrees.
Okay. They can also bend their neck at an angle of 270 degrees.
Yes. Can you tell me how the world's largest non-polar desert nourishes the world's largest and most biodiverse rainforest?
Yes, every year, Saharan dust cross the Atlantic Ocean, bringing imported nutrients such as phosphorus and other fertilizers to Amazon soil.
Oh, that's how.
Can you tell me who made the first mobile phone call?
Yes, Martin Cooper on April 3rd, 1973 made the first mobile telephone call to Dr. Joel S. Engel of Bell Labs, his rival.
Marathons came from ancient Greece. Marathon is a town in Greece and the site of the Battle of Marathon in 490 BCE.
Legend has it that Pheidippides, a Greek herald at the battle, was sent running from Marathon to Athens to announce the victory, which is how The marathon running race was conceived in modern times. Vitamin D is not just a supplement to nutrition, it functions as a hormone in the body.
Okay, the vitamin D sources are cheese, margarine, butter, fortified milk, healthy cereals, and fatty fish. More on that, we get vitamin D by sunlight.
That's correct. The name Pacific Ocean means peaceful sea.
And it comes from the Latin name Tepre Pacifica.
Can you tell me the unique quality of Qatar's flag?
Yes, Qatar's flag is unique as it is the only flag in the world twice as wide as it is high.
Correct.
This is so beautiful. It's Italy, right?
Yes, this city is Venice. It's amazingly beautiful.
The other picture is Colosseum, right?
Yes, this is where the gladiators fought. Did you know there are currently 58 UNESCO sites in Italy? 53 cultural and 5 natural.
No, I didn't know that.
Do you know horses have lightning fast reflexes?
Wow, that means they're very active. Jellyfish have no brain, heart, bones, or eyes. So without their heart, how does the blood circulation even happen?
They don't even have blood, so they don't need a heart.
Oh,
Do you know they're made up of stinging cells? They use their stinging tentacles to stun or paralyze their prey.
okay. What are these? Are these rats or monkeys?
They are the world's smallest monkeys, the pygmy marmoset.
Okay.
Africa is the only continent through which the prime meridian and the equator cross.
Lightning can heat the air. It passes through to 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun.
It takes around 2,000 tiny leaves to make just 1 pound of finished tea. Can you tell me a bird with the fewest number of feathers?
Yes, hummingbirds have only 1,000 feathers.
Correct.
Can you tell me a bird which has bigger number of feathers?
Yes. Swans can have as much as 25,000 feathers.
Correct. Is this picture of the Amazon rainforest?
No, this is Mount Meru. It is located in Mozambique.
Oh, right. It's also called the Google Forest.
Correct.
Can you tell me the origin of Ladybug's name?
Yes. The story is that the farmers' crops were being damaged by a swarm of aphids. But after the farmers prayed to Virgin Mary for help, ladybugs came and ate all the aphids and saved the day. Since then, the farmers have been calling them as their ladies' beetles or ladybugs.
Correct.
When you look at a star or any other object in space, you're actually seeing it how it looked in the past. The sun appears as it was 8.5 minutes ago. The view of Alpha Centauri is 4.3 years old, while the appearance of Sirius is more than 8 years old.
Oh my God, that's hard to believe. Bone marrow is the fastest growing tissue in the human body.
Yes, and second to it is hair, as the second fastest growing tissue in the human body.
Yes. Look at the picture of Earth in the Jurassic era. It was so beautiful.
Yes, and you know there is the same amount of water on Earth as there was when the Earth was formed. The water from your faucet could contain molecules that the dinosaur drank.
Oh, yes, water is so old. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel and share this video with our friends.